Hi everyone, this is Marisha and I'm right here with you with a very special topic, and I'm here to discuss on in fact a couple of things which are of course related to something that's the closest to my heart, which is education and education in the field of weddings. So big hello to everyone who's out there on Facebook. I think Friday has been a day that's always been my chosen day, because I really think that that's a day when everyone is just, in the midst of winding up a hectic week of stress, of achievements, of new possibilities that they would have explored, and right at the brink of what we would term as a weekend, which I don't think many people, at least in India, are experiencing these days, but yes, we surely try our best. So I'm here with the wedding school, and I'm here in fact today wanting to discuss specifically on Indian weddings 2.0. What is it that I see as wedding trends, how TWS, the wedding school, is sort of planning to nurture the new talent that's getting into the industry. I already have some people joining me. So yeah, hi Bhavesh, hi Kushal. So yes friends, Indian weddings 2.0, what can I say? The season seems to have started, and when I say started, I'm referring to planners all across India who are sort of engaging themselves in meeting clients and meeting young brides and grooms to be who are so excited about planning their wedding. So in that sense, yes, the season has started. It's already, I think, been a very, very hectic run. The last season has been fantastic for Indian weddings. Some of the most remarkable work to be looked out for. A lot of it I had in fact covered in my last live chat with a lot of you. In fact, talking about the last chat, I think I definitely want to say a very big thank you to so many of you who have been joining me regularly on my chats. Abhishek, hi there. So yes, the last chat we had spoken about, and covered a lot of topics. A lot of queries, in fact, came into me right after the chat. And I had a lot of youngsters who did take my one little advice very seriously, which is engaging and involving your parents and family that can help you in deciding with regards to, weddings as a career choice. I got such a phenomenal response. I have to tell you all this. So thank you so much. I feel amazing that I'm able to make such a difference in your lives. A lot of the youngsters have gone back. In fact, some of them even wrote back to me that they did share my chat, which has only helped their family in better understand how weddings as an industry is within India, what are the prospects in the long run, and what is the kind of future that it holds for the young talent. It has helped them take a decision, and they have suddenly understood why it is required to get formal education and training. Sushma is here with us. Hi Sushma. In fact, I'm so happy that Sushma and me, both in our individual capacities, are working for exactly the same orientation, which is giving importance to education. So Sushma, good to hear from you, and I know I'm going to miss you at WOW. I got to know that you're going to be there, but lots of love to you. Right, so I was talking about parents and how the last chat has really helped a lot of them speak about it to their parents. So those parents who are joining us today as well, a big hello to you, and I just want to encourage you to allow your children to make the right decision, and a very informed decision is what is going to help you and is going to help them, because I think what you seek as parents is nothing but the joy of your family. So, and nothing can bring you more joy than, you know, the children being happy. So we had a lot of parents who were in a dilemma, especially when it came to you know, those who are graduating this year from TY, those who are looking at a career shift and therefore have in fact decided to quit their job in their existing industry and join the wedding industry. In fact, a lot of them have enrolled for our next batch, which is starting on 15th of August, which is almost full. So I'm really excited. In fact, we have gone ahead and decided to get started with a 4th batch for this year as well. So a lot of them have decided to, you know, say goodbye to their current work and come here and take formal training, and therefore thereon pursue their dream of working in the Indian wedding industry. So kudos to you, and thank you for trusting the wedding school. And I can only assure you it's going to be a wonderful journey with a lot of challenges. So I'm not going to tell you it's just about, you know, a bed of roses. There are going to be stressful days, there are going to be crazy moments, but you are not going to regret this because it's a fantastic space to be in. Abhishek writes, thank you ma'am, to motivate to take wedding planning as a career. Abhishek, totally my pleasure. I've been in this industry for nearly 2 decades, and all I can say is you got passion on your side and you are ready to learn and evolve on every single day, then you're just in the right profession. So yeah, and of course, right profession, because it's also a very tricky profession, because weddings evolves, I think, through every single day. I have not had a single day, especially in the last you know, 3 or 4 years, that, you know, I have not come across something new. I have not experienced something new. There is so much that one gets to see and learn from. A lot from our own counterparts, a lot from Google, a lot from what brides want. Their dreams are so inspiring, it's unbelievable. And the last season, in fact, you know, I'm coming to what I've chosen as my topic for today, which is Indian Weddings 2.0. The last season has given me a fantastic experience, and I am so inspired by how the brides are ready to go all out. They are not at all hesitant about sharing their dreams. They don't have any sort of reluctance. Shruti has written in, hello ma'am. Okay, she's written that I'm currently doing graduation in event management. How will this course value add to what I'm already doing? Well, Shruti, to begin with, I'm happy that you are already educating yourself, and I can only assure you that no kind of education will ever go waste. So it's a very good move. The value addition that a course like what we are offering at the wedding school is, which is a diploma exclusively in wedding planning and management, is that you will actually get to learn the nuances of everything and anything to do with weddings. While event management helps you in terms of understanding the entire umbrella, the larger gamut, whether it's sports events or corporate events or IPs, wedding management course helps you in understanding the detailing, the mental psyche of a client, which is so important, because I have always propagated the one thing that I truly believe in from my experience of doing weddings, is that weddings is truly about managing emotions, and you need a skill to be able to do that, and skill to also make an event look so glamorous and so personal at the same time. So it's a very different space to be in. And doing a course that specializes in wedding planning and management is just going to help you exactly with that, because you then become a specialized player in the market, and you are therefore able to have a niche which can only take you higher and higher in your career. So yeah, that's what it is, Shruti. Thank you for your question. Bhavesh writes that please get in touch with us with his number. Okay, that I think is probably, yeah, my team will look into it. So coming back to what I was talking to you, which is about the season gone by and what I'm looking forward to in this season. In this season particularly, we're seeing a lot of trends. We're seeing trends that are moving destination weddings, not just to your quintessential popular locations such as Thailand or the Middle East, which is almost becoming local now. For a lot of families who already had weddings there. We are seeing a big requirement for a shift in terms of clients wanting a more personal and a unique experience, which a lot of destinations like Turkey have been able to provide, and it's just getting bigger. In fact, you know, Baku is one location where we truly enjoyed working in the last season, and I think I've just got to know that they've started or they're about to start flights from Delhi to Baku direct, which is just better news for Indian clients, Indian wedding planners. It's a wonderful destination to explore. Besides that, of course, we've seen a major rush and craze that has picked up for places like Antalya, and some companies like Inventum Global that are doing a phenomenal job in creating so much of an awareness for Antalya as a destination. Ketan, who is in fact their face in India, has been doing a phenomenal job. So kudos to you, Ketan. I think I missed the IMWF, but I believe it was even larger than life as compared to last year. So, and of course the weddings and the videos that you and the team are putting up, I think is just a perfect testimony to that. Besides that, there are lots of smaller destinations with niche properties that are picking up. What is also becoming an increasing trend, I think, is to focus on smaller functions. It's not just about the Sangeet and the Feras anymore. So that, I feel, is going to be a big wedding trend if all the planners and those who are getting into this space want to do something different. You need to start focusing on the smaller elements and the smaller functions, which are more or less sort of not ignored, but not given as much importance. I'm just going to take a break from the wedding trends because I have a question from Abhijit. Hi, Abhijit. As a job opportunities this career, I'm assuming you're trying to ask what are the kind of job opportunities that you have in weddings as a career. Plenty of them, Abhijit. You have lots and lots of wedding management companies that you can join, and this I'm talking about not just companies which are based in Mumbai. Weddings is growing in professional space across the country besides the globe, but I'm going to assume that your focus is more in the city that you belong to. So there are a lot of umpteen number of opportunities, right from joining a company which will give you the opportunity to work in the creative space in terms of design and decor, to also moving into client servicing, eventually into business development that can actually make you a very, very integral part of a wedding management company. There are so many departments and it's a wonderful journey, and every department needs you to know the minutest of details, because there's no second chance and there is no way you can bring back the D-Day in the life of a bride and groom. So umpteen responsibility as much as there is opportunity. Most of the companies, Abhijit, are relatively young in nature. Therefore, the average age of a team in a wedding management company is anywhere between the age of 20 to 25. And if production and decor is your area, you join a company that focuses on that. And if you truly enjoy interacting with the family, then client servicing is really your space. So yeah. In fact, if you are serious about it, then one major opportunity is a creative space. As I'm just discussing on the wedding trends, it is not easy coming up with ideas. It is not at all easy coming up with ideas that are actually doable, that can be executed, be different, and yet have a mass appeal. So ज़्यादातर ऐसा हो जाता है that clients कहते हैं कि हमें कुछ अलग चाहिए, हमें कुछ अलग चाहिए, और बहुत से वक्त आपका ये एक्सपीरियंस रहता है दैट आप कुछ अलग करके सजेशन देते हैं, बट नॉट ऑल क्लाइंट्स हैव द बैंडविड्थ टू go ahead and see you know, executing something that's really out of the world. So it's you know, you got to keep trying, you got to have conviction, and you got to also have knowledge of how you're actually going to execute something that you think is going to look wonderful and very unique. So yeah, that I feel is a trend. So your Haldi, Myra functions, I think, are something that have been long ignored, and it's time to just, you know, rehash and bring them alive. Another big trend, I think, which is going to and has already in fact started changing the way people look at Indian weddings. In fact, I will want to give a lot of credit to this particular line of expertise, which is the photography and videography, which is really some kind of exceptional work that has got everyone, you know, when I say everyone, I'm not just talking about the wedding fraternity. I'm actually referring to clients, the common man who suddenly understands what Indian weddings is all about. So it's amazing how you know, weddings is not just about capturing a wonderful moment at that time. It is about that spectacular after movie, a larger than life you know, presentation that the family then showcases year on year, in fact for months and at least a year or two, to their loved ones. It's also about how quick and effective you are in the Instagram videos, which has been so much of pressure, I know, on all my friends from the photography and videography fraternity. इतना कुछ दिखाना है लेकिन आपके पास है सिर्फ 1 minute. So it's crazy, but that's the attention span of, you know, people these days. I think 360 is picking up really well. I see a question from Hasti. Hi Hasti. Will this course include international weddings? Well, the course in terms of the education that you're being provided is going to be based out of Mumbai. However, at the end of the course, or rather through the process of the course, we put you onto internships. And this is where we can help you out with an internship on with a company that is based out of India. And if you happen to intern with a company which is based in India but is designing and executing a wedding internationally, there are very high chances that you can be a part of it. I'm very happy, in fact, to share with you, Hasti, that we have had 3 students from the last year's batches. We had run 2 batches last year, and we had about, I think, 3 or 4 students who had the wonderful opportunity to travel abroad on wedding projects. In fact, you know, also heading departments and very critical departments, and they had a great opportunity. And you know, I cannot explain to you how excited their family was, because it was almost like an unbelievable moment for them that being a fresher, they had an opportunity. But trust me, the kind of polish and finesse that the student was given at this institute, nobody would have been able to gauge that that particular candidate was an intern. So there's a lot of detailing with which I like to teach and educate my students, because I'm a planner and I enjoy the space and I strive for perfection in my work, and that's exactly what I try my best to help all my students with. So, and when I say I'm referring to my team as well, who works day in, day out in making sure that our candidates, our students, you know, are truly believing in what they are studying and they're taking it forward. So we have very conventional, traditional ways of teaching, but we end up teaching you whatever is latest and what is going to help you become a fantastic contributor and help the industry evolve. So there is effort of all sorts that goes into it. And I think there's a lot of effort, like I was telling you about the photography and videography contribution to weddings. I think a lot of it we are going to witness at a very huge event that two of my close friends are putting together at the WOW Awards. So big shout out to Vishal and Karishma. Hi and good luck to you all. And unfortunately I won't be joining you for WOW, but yes, my partner will be. But I know it's only going to get better from every year that you have grown from strength to strength. I truly salute you, Vishal, for coming up with this great idea. You and my dear friends, Love Israni and Megha. Kudos to you all for coming up with something that you know, is actually going to help so many players that are already existing in the field of photography and videography in Indian weddings. So we have a special concept that they have come up with, capturing WOW, and it's cool, it's fun, that, you know, something that looks like just, you know, oh, it's so easy, you know, is now going to be sort of explained better. There is more and more seriousness as compared to earlier. पहले बहुत ही, you know, randomly ऐसे हो जाता था कि clients को लगता था ठीक है, photography ही तो है, उसमें क्या है, you know, video ही तो capture कर रहा है. But things have evolved thanks to the experts in our industry, and WOW is going to be giving a great platform for many others who are aspiring and already doing well, but who want to evolve in their stream of work as far as photography, videography is concerned. So good luck to you, Love. And I am damn sure you're putting up some great panelists and you're going to have a great exchange of knowledge. You know, I don't think anything works better than knowledge sharing, and it requires a lot of generous panelists to, you know, be able to come out there and speak about it. And I have Hari here with me. Hello, Bolki. Okay, Hari, don't get my Bollywood side out because I know the second line of that, but I don't want to complete it here. So yes, I'm a big Bollywood fan, and so is my friend Hari. And he's always in a hurry to go out there. Somebody who can enjoy clubbing and actually make, you know, not just a living, but much beyond out of it. That's Hari for you. Somebody whom I have known from the time I started working in this industry. No Hari, ये line मेरे संग डोल के नहीं है, कुछ और है, वो बाद में discuss करेंगे. But yeah, in fact, Hari is opening a new club, so congratulations to you. And I'm hoping to come there soon. I'm forgetting the name of the club, but I love the promo video that you had made. So looking forward to coming there with our Dawn to Dusk friends as and when. So yeah, for those of you who are going to be at WOW, it is surely going to be a WOW experience. For those who are not, please look out for the updates and do keep yourself updated on what is happening. Of course, I want to also, you know, Tranquil. Thanks, Hari. Yes, Tranquil. I shall always remember this. In fact, Tranquil is also the name of one of the leading wedding management companies that we have in Mumbai, run by Pooja Ghai, who has now opened operations in Dubai. So Pooja, I'm looking forward to having my students intern with you and work with you as well in Dubai. So yeah, so coming to the next big event that I think the fraternity is looking forward to is something that another friend of ours, in fact from Delhi, is working on, which is Vijay Arora. Hi Vijay, good luck to you. I've got your invitation for Gourmet Entertainment Show, and that is on the 1st of August in Delhi. I am so amazed And I have to share this with all of you, especially the youngsters who are looking at weddings as a career. It is unbelievable as to the kind of initiatives that people are taking in order to further enhance and educate people. And there are more and more better players coming in, and the better players are just putting in their best as well. So gourmet entertainment is going to be something, you know, unique, being done by Vijay, one of the leading players in weddings and much beyond weddings, in fact, from Delhi. So lots for us as an industry to look forward to, and simply amazing things that we are looking forward to at the wedding school. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. I think Dhwani has also joined us. So thanks, Dhwani, for joining us. And I'm just looking forward to now, you know, rolling out my batch 4. And we are so excited about starting, you know, our batch 3 on the 15th of August. And then in a couple of weeks, we get started with our batch 4. And I'm really looking forward to a great year of weddings and education. And yeah, being able to help youngsters learn and get themselves adapted to changing times and be crucial contributors towards this industry, and get more and more thinkers into this industry. I think that is really going to be required to be able to think and innovate on new ideas, new destinations. There's so much, you know, that one can contribute, but knowledge is really going to be the base of it. Hari's writing in, lovely update and rocking, Marisha. Keep sharing knowledge. Yes, Hari, I think with every passing day, I'm getting more and more passionate about education as much as I am about designing weddings and planning. Rituraj, so, oh, wow, great going. Thank you so much. I think you have been very, very encouraging, and I just cannot thank you enough. I'm looking for that one opportunity when I get to invite you, and you know, so that my students can be blessed with your presence, with the knowledge, with the kind of mentoring that you can do. Hari writes in, knowledge sharing is the way forward, and you're doing great. Thank you, Hari, and I'll really look forward to, in fact, you taking some time out and coming and you know, meeting our students and educating them, because I think the way you have, you know, had an illustrious career from corporate events to weddings, you know, to a new stream altogether, and doing everything so successfully. Kudos to you. Thank you, Rituraj sir, again. Nitin is here as well. Hi Nitin, great going. Thank you so much for that. Delhi se kab aa rahe ho Mumbai? Hame zarur bataiye. Nitin, in fact, has been doing some fantastic work in the corporate stream, and he's equally intrigued and interested in weddings. You know, ek time hua karta tha when people would not really have high regards for weddings as a career, or you know, even event companies would actually shy from taking up a wedding project. Un dino pe kya kaha jata tha, hum shaadiyan nahi karte. But things have changed drastically, and we have so many people and existing stalwarts who are actually wanting to get into the space and give their time and efforts and energy into it. And it's suddenly evolved and become a very, very respectable job. People have started recognizing the creative work that planners put in. But let me tell you, it's very stressful. It's not easy, and nothing is easy. So yeah, you might as well do what you love doing. Kshitija is also here. Hi Kshitija, good to see you. Looking gorgeous as always in the picture, as I had just noticed yesterday. And yeah, I want to also, looking at Kshitija here, want to say a big hello to all my ex-students who are here and doing so well. I think I want to also share with you all that, and this is something I had in fact shared with one of the veterans from the industry as well, that we have had a phenomenal number of students who went to a particular company for a placement and then got recruited by the same company. From an internship to a full-time job with the same company. I think kudos to the entire team at the wedding school for being able to, guide and mold them, nurture them, and give them the kind of knowledge that has helped them create not just the right impression, but do an effective job which has helped them secure their future. So I think 90% or 95% of our students who interned with a certain company were offered a job from the same company. So that's something I'm very, very proud of. So thank you to all those who have been a part of the faculty team. Rituraj sir is writing, sitting in Udaipur. I thought I might as well add to your teaching a few points for you to share. Yes, please bring it on. I'll be very happy. I think राजस्थान से आपको जितना लगाव है उससे कई ज़्यादा वहाँ के लोगों को और वहाँ के क्लाइंट्स को आपके साथ so I think everything that you tell us is just going to help me, help the fraternity, and help a lot of people get some kind of guidance. So I look forward to knowing what are the points that you want to share. I'll be really, really happy to speak about it here. But so I'm very sure I'm going to make you more and more proud with this venture. And as I have the support of you and a lot of people from the industry, I think it's just given me the confidence to take this to an all new level. Yeah. So great, guys. I think I was really happy to share stories on what the year has been like and what are the trends for the coming season. And there's more that we are going to talk about. In fact, we do have a couple of interesting topics that in fact people have written into us to throw some light on. We're going to be doing that really soon. And we are going to be talking about it, but that's going to be a little later in the coming weeks. Until then, good luck to everybody, especially the youngsters who are still studying and still deciding what they want to do in their life. To them, I can just say, go ahead with whatever you feel with a conviction. Do a lot of detailed study before you enter the stream. Don't just believe, what you see trending. Please have some application and take some good advice from people who are related to that industry, because that is only going to help you make the right choice, a choice that you'd rather not change halfway through your journey. So take your time. There is no rush, but once you are into it, make sure you are into it for good, and then do not look back and just give it your 100%. There is success coming your way because hard work never fails. So good luck to you, and we look forward to catching up with you soon. I have really enjoyed chatting. Thank you so much for everyone who joined me on this live chat. I'm just going to say goodbye and have a great weekend ahead.